Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Code Seekers. In this part, we will learn how to capture screen in C# Windows Form application. It's really easiest and simplest code, and the purpose of uploading this video is that in my upcoming videos, I'm just going to show you how to make a screen recorder in C#. For that purpose, it's necessary to learn how to capture a simple screenshot. How to take a screenshot just like we take a screenshot using the print screen key. How to capture same screen using C# code. So let's start. We will perform three main tasks. Task number 1 is how to take screenshot. Task number 2 is how to show that screenshot in the picture box, and task number 3 is how to save that screenshot. So let's start the coding. So in this video, we learned how to capture screen in C# Windows Form application. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and share my video and subscribe my channel to watch more videos on C++ and C#.